Hey YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. I'm going to take you guys today on a scenic route. It's actually a scenic route up here in Merritt on the bench. I have to go around because of the closure for the flooding. So one of our main roads that takes us out of town is completely shut down because of the rising waters. So I have to take another route up through up of the bench, they call it here. And yeah, the waters to my left and right are pretty high. So I'll take you on a nice scenic route here, guys, so you guys can check it out. So it says viewpoint here. You take that takes you to the golf course, the cemetery. It's a nice view, actually, of the city of Merritt from up top. Yeah, today I'm going to be brainstorming on my movie. I keep saying I'm going to make a movie this summer. I really want to make one. A really good, well put together, well directed. I'm going to direct it really nicely, edit it, sound. I got a lot of people on board that want to act in it or play a part. I want to make the movie like improvish, so it's kind of on the fly and people don't look like they're acting, so it looks very natural. Just like Step Brothers. Step Brothers was pretty much all improv. If you guys haven't seen Step Brothers with Will Ferrell or Colin Farrell or those two guys, please watch it. It's really good. It was pretty much on the spot improv, and the movie did really well. So that's what I'm looking to do. So I'm on my way to Tim Hortons. I did buy local coffee earlier this morning, so don't worry. Very strong though, but that's okay. I just actually wanted to take this up here to show you guys. And the local time right now is 10:35. I'll be opening my store at 11. So this is the bench area. This is where the upper end part of town is, I guess they want to call it that. Whatever you want to call it. Hollywood Hills, whatever you want. We'll call it Merritt Hills. The Hills of Merritt. People cutting their grass, upkeeping their property. Oh, there's a property sold here on the right. Nice little house, and the view is facing the back of the city, so that your back patio will be facing the city of Merritt. At night, it should look nice at night. Lots of lights. Ride along with Mike Martin's. Because the road closure, I'm going to have to take the road back. I could take the highway, one exit up, and then come back into town, which is not a big deal. It doesn't matter. Like I said, I think I didn't even drive 2 kilometers yet, so 3 kilometers, maybe tops, I've driven already. So it's not a lot of driving. And then look at the traffic. It's nice and calm, and make sure these people are turning, because sometimes they don't turn. So behind me is where the flood. So basically I cut out that whole part of the trip behind me. RCMP is to my left. The hospital's to my left. A couple of old motels here to the left here. I've been here for many years, apparently. Some of these motels. There's one with a water slide and indoor pool. Oh, God. Oh, such a nice day. What a nice day of... March was really nice, and March was nice. March was... like 15, 17 degrees. It was nice and cool. It was a nice, crisp beginning of spring. April got really hot, warm. April got warm. April was in the mid-teens to the mid-20s, and it was a nice April. May is just an oven. Absolute oven. Oven, oven, oven. Absolute oven. I got some rotor tilling to do tonight on the garden. I'm going to show you guys the progress so far. It's been interesting at best. Hi, can I get a large coffee with 1 milk?
Sure, anything else?
That's it.
Okay, good job.
Thank you. Oh, just gonna pick up a nice coffee here. Yes, I did pick up a coffee earlier and breakfast at a local diner, so relax, people. Just need some extra water, Joe. That was quick. That was fast.
There we are.
Thank you, ma'am.
There you are.
Enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. She was a lovely lady, smiling. I love it when people smile. Look at that barracuda. No, is that a dart? No. No, it's a barracuda. Yeah, you see a lot of classic cars here in the summer, which is really nice. A little, nice little addition to the city. So I'm going to head back. I'm going to have to go back through that same shortcut the other way, because the road is closed. Car's leaking transmission fluid from the cooler line, so I'm going to get that fixed over at the local mechanic on Thursday. Today's still Tuesday, so I'm going to take care of that then. Oh, there we go. We got a left turn signal. Welcome to Merritt, downtown ahead. Make the cuts, the detour cut. Other guy's going straight, which is fine. I think he might live in that area. So if you live in the area, you can go straight. But I don't want to risk it and get all the way there and they tell me to turn my car around. What a gorgeous day. It looks like someone's putting interlock on their driveway. I want to put interlock on my driveway, a really good stone, a really nice interlock I want to get done. Also, I'm looking forward. I'll probably do it next year because I want to get the exterior of the house and the windows done first. And I want to get the outside painted or redone. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure it out. Figure out what I want to do. Maybe put some of that nice fake brick. It looks real. And I want to put my hurricane shutters on too. I want those hurricane shutters in the windows. It makes the house look beautiful. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighbor. Oh, just taking it all in. Enjoy the scenery, people. The cemetery to my right. These guys, I saw these guys walking earlier from the bottom of the hill. And if you look to the left of me, you can see all the housing and the golf course. Oh wow, the golf course is, wow, it's completely like 2 feet of water in the golf course right now. Wow. Well, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Because it's a very beautiful golf course because you have a beautiful river going through it when it's not flooded like this, and it gives you that like natural scenery, right? That natural look of water, right? Instead of making fake ponds. Such a nice day. And this is the back end this is the back end way to get into my store. Hook her right here. Someone's parked right in front of my store as usual. Unfortunately, a lot of people park in front of the store and go to the gym across the street, so it's really hard to have parking for my clients. It's such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, guys, that ends my tour of upper side of Merritt. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna open the shop. It's right here. I'll show you guys the shop. There's my Marik Toys and Games in the Filipino Food Mart, ready to open for Tuesday morning. Thanks for watching, guys.